Hello everyone, welcome to this SAS tutorial. Get ready to dive into one of the most powerful data analytics tools used by professionals worldwide. Whether you are just starting or leveling up your skills, this video has everything you need. So let's jump right in. Agenda. Here is what is in store for today's session. Introduction to SAS, SAS environment and interface, basics of SAS programming, data import and management, data analysis and reporting, visualizations in SAS, hands-on example, Q&A. So, what exactly is SAS? SAS, short for Statistical Analysis System, is a leading software suite for data analytics, statistical modeling and reporting. It was developed in the 1970s by SAS Institute and has grown onto a global standard used in banking, healthcare, government and more. For example, imagine a healthcare company analyzing patient records to detect disease patterns. SAS can clean and analyze the data, then generate predictive models to assist doctors in making data-driven decisions. SAS features. Let's talk about why SAS is so powerful. SAS features are data management, statistical analysis, advanced analytics, reporting and visualization. In data management, you can import, clean and transform data effortlessly. Statistical analysis, run regression, forecasting and hypothesis testing with ease. Advanced analytics, build machine learning models and make predictions. Reporting and visualization, create interactive dashboards and charts for insights. For example, a retail company wants to understand customer buying patterns. Using SAS, they can segment customers based on demographics and purchase history, optimizing marketing strategies. SAS software and editions. Which SAS edition is right for you? SAS has many products and some of them are SAS Base, SAS Enterprise Guide, SAS On Demand for Academics and SAS VM. SAS Base is the foundation of SAS programming. SAS Enterprise Guide, a graphical user interface for advanced users. SAS On Demand for Academics is a free cloud-based version for learning, and SAS VR is a AI and ML powered analytics in the cloud. Now let's step into SAS environment. SAS Studio is a web-based coding playground. SAS Editor, our primary space to write and execute SAS programs. SAS Log keeps tracks of errors and execution messages. And SAS Output window displays our results from tables to graphs. Let's break down a SAS program. A SAS script consists of three core concepts: data step, proc step, and output step or run statement. And data step define and prepare your data. Proc step run analytics or generate reports. Run statement execute the program. Here is the example code. In SAS, data is categorized into three main types: numeric, character, date and time. Numeric stores numbers for calculations. Character holds text and string values. Date time is specialized format for dates and times. Advanced SAS features. Now let's explore advanced SAS features. Macros. Macros automate repetitive tasks. It also helps create dynamic variables within the code that can take different values for different run instances of the same code. Macros can also be declared for blocks of code which will be reused multiple times in a similar manner to macro variable. You will see both of these in the below example. In this example, a company with thousands of employee records can use SAS macros to automate annual bonus calculations instead of writing separate code for each department. Want to get started with the SAS on demand for academics? Follow these steps carefully and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First step, visit the SAS on demand website. Open your web browser and navigate to the SAS on demand for academics website. This is the official portal for SAS on demand for academics. Click on the access button and sign in or register for a free account. Make sure you are using Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for the best experience. Click on sign in button. If you already have a SAS profile, simply enter your credentials and sign in. If you are new, and click don't have a SAS profile and fill in the required details including your emails and passwords. Once registered, check your inbox for verification mail. Click the link inside to activate your account. Select the terms and conditions and then sign in. And click on the launch button of SAS Studio environment. Once SAS Studio opens, you will see three main sections: editor window and log window and results window. In editor window, where you can write and execute SAS code. Log window displays messages and errors from your code. Results window show tables, charts and analysis outputs. Let's test it. Type the simple code in the editor window and click run. This is the run button. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a table of displaying student names, sex, age, height, weight from the built-in SAS dataset SAS help.class. Let's go hands-on with a real-world SAS example. Follow along as we write, execute and analyze data during SAS. First step, import a CSV file. Before we analyze any data, we first need to import it into data SAS environment. We will be working with an employee dataset stored as a CSV file. Here is how to do it. Proc import tells SAS to import a dataset. Data file specifies the path to the CSV file. Out names the output dataset. DBMS defines the file type and get names equal to yes uses the first row as column names. Run this code in SAS Studio and check the log window to confirm a success import. Then step 2, clean and filter data. Now that our data is loaded, let's clean it by removing missing values and filtering for employees in the IT department. Data employee is cleaned, creates a new data set. Set employees uses the imported data set as an input. Where age is not missing and department equal to IT, filters out missing ages and selects only IT department employees. And run this and use proc print statement to verify the clean data. Next, let's analyze the salaries using statistical measures like mean, minimum and maximum values. Proc means compute summary statistics. Mean, min, max specifies statistics we need. Where salary selects salary column for analysis. Class department groups statistics by department. Run this and check the output window for results. Finally, let's visualize the average salary by department using a bar chart. Proc XGplot generates graphical plots and VBar department creates vertical bar chart and response equal to salary stat equal to mean computes average salary. Title adds to a title to the chart. And run the final code. Check the results window for the chart. This is the result. That's it. You now have a solid understanding of SAS programming and analytics. From data management to powerful visualization, SAS is a must-have tool for data professionals. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more amazing tech tutorials. See you in the next one.